Good evening, Valpo. VUTV Weather Director Mason Gleva here with this evening's weather update. We have a winter storm warning now in effect. This is mainly for lake effect snow in effect until midnight tonight, generally 2 to 4 inches. Areas closer to the lakeshore, that's why we have that plus symbol there. You're probably going to be closer to the 4 to 6, 4 to 8 inch range. Highest totals are going to fall along and north of US 30. Regardless of how much snow you get, it's going to be very cold tomorrow. Highs, air temperature, only in the single digits, but it's going to feel 25 below at times. We have a cold weather advisory in place because of that, and there's really no warmth in the forecast, staying cold to end the month here. Here's the current radar. You can see that main heavy lake effect snow band staying just offshore, but that's getting close to Gary, and then it'll get in here probably in the next couple of hours. Heavier lake effect, sort of scattered showers out ahead of this band, but that main band beginning to pivot our direction. The worst of it gets in here after 9 o'clock or so. Current temps, 15 degrees here in Valpo. We've warmed as the day's gone on. 18 degrees in Michigan City and in Gary where heavy snow is occurring. 11 degrees out at O'Hare, and we're already seeing the single digits across north central Illinois. That's that colder air filtering in behind the winter storm. Temperatures are probably going to make a run at 10 below out there. We expect to start the day below 0 here in Valpo again tomorrow, and these winds are just adding insult to injury. Winds anywhere from about 5 to 10 to 20 miles an hour in spots, really making it feel like anywhere from about 10 below to 10 above, feeling like -10 out there in Rockford, -3 out at O'Hare, feeling like 8 degrees here in Valpo and 9 in Michigan City where we're seeing some of those lake effect snow showers. Speaking of lake effect snow, let's time that out here. Light to moderate lake effect snow ahead of that main band beginning to pivot in 9 o'clock. The worst of that lake effect snow band is going to be here in Porter County. Heaviest snowfall amounts are going to be in northern portions of Porter and LaPorte County into Berrien County. That band pivots towards LaPorte, Michigan City, Berrien Springs, Benton Harbor, South Bend after midnight tonight, and that's when we're done with lake effect snow, but temperatures are going to crash, and then the lake effect snow machine shuts off by time lunchtime comes around tomorrow. How much snow are we talking about in addition to the about 4 to 5 inches we have on the ground here in Valpo now? Still in that 2 to 4 inch range. Futurecast thinks we'll probably have another 3 inches we're going to pick up. This can be higher if the lake effect snow band sits over us longer. Could be a little lower if it just breezes past us tonight. So another 2 to 4 inches on average. Areas that sit under that band the longest, Benton Harbor, could be closer to 8+ inches. Again, lake effect snow ends by lunchtime tomorrow. Areas outside of those heavy lake effect snow showers are going to make a run at 10 below. Went ahead, we're forecasting -5 here in Valpo because that lake effect band will be out of here by 1, 2 a.m. Another 2 to 4 inches. The winds is what's going to make this travel treacherous and really make it worse. Wind gusts up to 25, 30 miles an hour. Tomorrow, peaks of sun at times. It's probably going to be mostly cloudy, but we are going to see some peaks of sun. Only topping out at 7 degrees. It's going to feel about 15 to 25 below, though, with those winds. 7-day forecast here. Weather impact alert day for Monday. Single-digit highs, wind chills. Again, -15 to 25 below. And then there's no real warmth in the forecast. The warmest high, 21 degrees next Sunday.